Hello viewers, in today's session we are going to discuss an important problem related to range of functions. And here we are given this function which is quadratic in sine x, right? So here we have the function f of x is equal to sine square x minus half sine x plus 2, and we have to find out the range of this function. So let us start. So to get the range of this function, we have to make use of two important concepts, right? So the first concept is to convert this quadratic expression, which is quadratic in sine x, into a perfect square, right? And the second important concept is the range of sine x, and we know that the range of sine theta is from -1 to 1, right? So these are the two important concepts which are going to be used to get the range of this function. So the first step is to convert this expression into a perfect square. So for simplicity, let us first take a is equal to sine x, right? So when we take a is equal to sine x, then f of x may be written in a simple way, that is a square minus half a, and here we have 2, right? So now here we have these two terms, and we know that if we make a square of this term, that is, if we consider this binomial a minus 1 over 4 whole square, then we have a square, then we have minus 2ab, that is 2 times a times 1 over 4, and here we have 1 over 4 square, right? So we have a square minus this get cancelled here, so we have minus a over 2, and here we have 1 over 16, right? So a minus 1 over 4 square is given by this trinomial. Now we can write a minus 1 over 4 square minus 1 over 16, taking this term to the left hand side, we have a square minus half a, right? So now we can substitute the value of a square minus half a as a minus 1 over 4 square minus 1 over 16. So here we have a minus 1 over 4 square minus 1 over 16 plus 2, right? So now we can further write it as a minus 1 over 4 square, and simplifying these two terms, so we have minus 1 here, plus 16 times 2 is 32, and here we have 16, right? Here we can write the positive sign. So we have a minus 1 over 4 square, and 32 minus 1 is 31 over 16, right? So now fx can be written as again resubstituting sine x for a, we have sine x minus 1 over 4 square, and here we have 31 over 16. So using this concept, we have converted this function fx into this form, right? So now let us use this concept. So the range of sine theta is from -1 to 1. So sine x is greater than or equal to -1, but it is less than or equal to +1, right? So now we'll start with this inequality. Now here we have sine x minus 1 over 4. So what we will do, we'll subtract 1 over 4 throughout this inequality. So we have minus 1 over 4. Then we have sine x minus 1 over 4. And here we have 1 minus 1 over 4. So this is minus 5 over 4, and this is sine x minus 1 over 4, and here we have 4 minus 1, this is 3 over 4, right? So now see here we have the square term, right? So now we have to take care of this square term. So what we will do, will make the square of all these three terms, right? So when we square, or when we take the square of sine x minus 1 over 4, then sine x minus 1 over 4 square is a positive quantity, because we know that every square term is greater than or equal to 0. So this term is greater than or equal to 0, right? But this is less than or equal to the square of this term, that is 25 over 16, right? So this is an important step in finding out the range of this function, right? So we have this inequality, that is sine x minus 1 over 4 is greater than or equal to minus 5 by 4, but less than or equal to 3 by 4, right? But here we need the square of sine x minus 1 over 4. So when we take the square of sine x minus 1 by 4, then the square term is always going to be greater than or equal to 0, because it is positive, but it is less than or equal to the square of minus 5 by 4, that is 25 over 16. So now here we have 31 over 16, right? So to create this complete function, that is f of x, what we will do, will add 31 over 16 throughout this inequality. So we have 0 plus 31 over 16, and here we have 31 over 16 plus sine x minus 1 over 4 square, and here we have 31 over 16 plus 25 over 16, right? Now this is our function f of x, right? So now we have 31 over 16 less than or equal to f of x, and this is further less than or equal to the sum of these two fractions. So now the sum of these two fractions is 6. This is 56 over 16, right? And this is 8 times 7, 56, 8 times 2, 16, right? So here we have 7 over 2. So from this inequality, we can conclude that our function f of x has the range from 31 by 16 to 7 over 2. So we can now write fx belonging to the interval, the closed interval, that is 31 over 16 to 7 over 2. So viewers, this is how we can find out the range of functions.